The entire crypto market has reached an all-time high. We are in the most bullish event for cryptocurrencies ever, and things are really just beginning. Yes, Bitcoin just broke nearly $68,000. In addition to that, we are having Ethereum start to outpace Bitcoin now, which is a very interesting thing. But everyone is asking me, Myles, what is going on with Dogecoin? Well, if we actually look at Dogecoin, it's actually doing much better than Bitcoin today. We are up nearly 5% right now based on this chart. But the entire crypto market, look at this. The entire crypto market is nearly $3 trillion. The whole day, the last 24 hours, we are up 5% for the entire crypto market. Now, I personally believe that Dogecoin is about to make some huge moves. Dogecoin will rocket again here very soon. It might not happen today, might not happen next week, but Dogecoin is setting up for another massive bull run. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin, Ethereum especially. So make sure you watch this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. If you are new to the channel, my name is Myles. I have many years of investment and trading experience and my expertise in technical analysis for cryptocurrencies. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos where just through my videos alone, you can make a lot of money by hearing some of the free plays I give out. I additionally, through my Patreon, which is only $10 a month, which you should join right now if you want to make money in crypto, I offer trade alerts. I give you guys hidden updates into the market. What is going on when things are bearish, when things are bullish, all through technical analysis and through my inside information. I have services where I can build you a portfolio, meaning that we can talk on the phone, we can talk over your portfolio, see if there's some things that we need to move around because you need to adjust your portfolio right now to make the most money out of this crypto bull run. Make sure you also smash up the likes to an all-time high and blow up the comment sections. I do appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments that you guys give me. I love you guys so much and thank you. And last but not least, if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and etc., join my WEBULL link right now. If you deposit $1 or even 1 penny using my link below, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. The link will be in my video description below. WEBULL. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive straight in. So right now, we saw this morning Bitcoin break nearly $68,000, which was an all-time high. I told you guys that you need to be getting diversified into Bitcoin and Ethereum if you can to make the most money right now, because right now, as we see, the Bitcoin dominance is taking over. Bitcoin is outperforming the majority of the crypto market as we are starting to see a lot of the altcoins like XRP, Algorand, we have Cardano, a lot of these really good cryptos. They're actually starting to take off now, but for the last couple of weeks, they have not been performing very well. Now, the reason for this is, as I explained over and over again, is because cryptocurrencies, especially the altcoins or even their own individual cryptocurrencies, they have their own seasons, they have their own bull runs, they have their own cycles. A lot of the cycles and a lot of the bull runs off particular cryptocurrencies are based on huge events for those cryptos, whether they're updates, whether they're hard forks, and even huge hype events, as we have seen for Dogecoin. Dogecoin reached a peak several months back and has not yet reached that peak. Now, as we have seen, Cardano a couple of months ago broke all-time highs, went from what, $1 to $3. That was a play we were able to make in the Patreon. Congratulations to all Cardano holders. But because Cardano is only $2.20 because it's not really doing much, while Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are breaking all-time high, doesn't mean that Cardano is over with. No, Cardano pumped up a lot, so it has to cool down. The cryptocurrencies that pump up a lot, they have to have time to cool back down. They have to have time to kind of equal out, to get the buyers back in, to get that volatility out of there. Once the volatility is gone, you start to see a balance of the price where it begins to settle. Then the buyers want to get back in. When there's a lot of volatility, it scares investors away, especially the retail investors, which drive the majority of some of these altcoins up. So what I am basically saying is don't give up on the altcoins. Don't give up on the small cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu and some of the smaller altcoins if you believe in them. If you believe in a crypto project, if it actually is a good crypto project and it's not just hype, it will last, it will always recover, and it will break all-time highs. But remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just my own opinion through many years of investment and trading experience. Okay, so Ethereum. We all love Ethereum on this channel because there's going to be an Ethereum to Dogecoin bridge, which is going to benefit both of the cryptocurrencies. Hopefully this bridge will be done in the next couple of months. It could happen much sooner. But let me tell you this, there's a lot of things happening for cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Shiba Inu, whether it's Dogecoin, that we don't know a lot. There's a lot of things that are happening behind the scenes that are very bullish that we have no idea about. So when things happen, when events happen, and you're not in those positions, you've sold your positions because it's not doing much, you miss out on huge gains, especially with these altcoins. But look at this, Ethereum was being underperformed by the entire crypto market, but now Ethereum is about to reach the all-time high. Ethereum right now is potentially just about 5 to 6% away from the all-time highs. As we have seen with Bitcoin today, whenever a cryptocurrency reaches an all-time high that it previously reached and surpasses it, it generally signals a buy event, which means it pushes that price of that cryptocurrency up much higher. So if Ethereum breaks this level of resistance, I would be very confident, just based on the technicals here, that we could make a pump as big as this entire fib channel, which would bring us above $7,000. We could reach $7,000 in a very short period of time. It also helps that Bitcoin is continuing to pump over and over again, and that Bitcoin, $66,000 right now, has gone up 21 days in a row. Bitcoin is the strength of the whole crypto market. It's the strength of the whole crypto economy, the ecosystem. And when Bitcoin goes up, it allows for other cryptocurrencies, maybe not then at that time, but in time, maybe a month after, a couple of months after, to make some big gains. Because what happens is a lot of people, they like to take their Bitcoin profits and now put it into their altcoins. And that's the way they can make a lot of money and multiply even their profits that they made in a conservative investment like Bitcoin. But getting back to Dogecoin, Myles, what is going on with Dogecoin is so important, because a lot of us love Dogecoin, we hodl Dogecoin, but it's really not doing much. But if we actually zoom out of the charts, this is actually a daily time frame. If we zoom out of the charts, we are seeing Dogecoin slowly make a strong recovery, and we are almost at 30 cents. The other day, we saw a pretty significant pump out of nowhere to nearly 30 cents. When Dogecoin starts to break 30 cents again, and then we break 32 cents, which is another resistance level, and then 35 cents, which is not very far away. When Dogecoin makes those type of gains, that's going to attract a lot of people to get back into Dogecoin. But if Dogecoin trades between 22 cents and 25 cents and goes back and forth for a couple of months, people don't want to put their money into something that's not going to work for them. So they want to find something that can grow consistently. But I personally believe that this bull run event of Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to trigger the people to get back into Dogecoin, especially if Dogecoin can continue to go up. But Dogecoin will continue to go up. I personally believe this. And it's very possible that Dogecoin can go up here any single day. Now, the thing about Dogecoin is Elon Musk is still supporting Dogecoin. He is working with a bunch of developers to help push Dogecoin to make it a better and stronger cryptocurrency. But I believe that Elon Musk is sitting back. A lot of the developers are working very strongly, as I actually have contact with some of them, to build Dogecoin back up to make it better, faster, and stronger, just keeping it in simple terms. So what I personally believe is that Dogecoin is not getting a lot of hype because the developers and Elon Musk do not want to hype up Dogecoin right now. What they want to do is they want to get Dogecoin at the speeds and the transaction fees where they want them, so that institutions and big entities can invest into Dogecoin. If Dogecoin does not have the speeds and the transactions that they are looking for at this very moment, it would not be a good time to hype it up. They want to get Dogecoin at the best product. They want to get Dogecoin to be in the best position, so that when they start hyping it up, the use case will be real and can be accepted at that very time, not only a speculative investment that they would be hoping for in the future. So remember, Elon Musk is going to be sending a Doge rocket to the moon, among a bunch of other things. There's other big retailers who are going to be accepting Dogecoin in the future, and they will be announcing that. I believe a lot of people, retail stores included, and even institutions, are waiting for Dogecoin to get to its particular update that is needed before starting to hype this train up again. But what has happened historically after Bitcoin, when it's dominating the whole market as we are seeing right now, then Bitcoin begins to slow down, and then the altcoins start to pump up. When the altcoins start to pump up, the people that were in previous altcoins like Dogecoin, like Cardano or Shiba Inu, others, especially hype coins like those, they come back in. The retail investors, when they start to see Dogecoin pop up 20% again or 30%, then people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin is popping off again. And then the tweets become real. Then the tweets become effective. Then the memes and then the Twitter posts about Dogecoin become very effective, drawing back in that huge audience. Dogecoin at the time was the most popular thing searched on the internet. It was the most popular crypto. There was so much hype. The community was real. It was live. But a lot of those people lost money because it has gone down. A lot of people have lost faith in Dogecoin because it has gone down. And that's a natural response to a new investor to a particular project. They find something, it goes down, doesn't really do much for a month or something, and then they give up completely. A lot of new investors don't have the type of patience that me and you have. We have the patience of many months to hold on and to hold projects even when they're boring, because it's at that very moment when they begin to want to give up on something, that when those cryptos get to the most boring point as possible, that's when they begin to spike up, and that's when the FOMO comes back. So watch this. When Dogecoin pops up, look, we are not really far from breaking that strong resistance level, that resistance level at 35 cents. No, we are nearly 30% away from that. If Dogecoin pops up 20 or 30% in a single day, we can get back up to that resistance that we have seen since August. And then we have not seen that level since June. So if we break 35 cents and then we start heading into the 40 cents range, that's when I believe the FOMO is going to start settling in. That's when the internet is going to go crazy again for Dogecoin. And that's when I believe we will start to break all-time highs. And if at that very same moment, Bitcoin is at 80,000 or 100,000 or 150,000, these cryptos will go crazy. If Bitcoin reaches 150,000 to $200,000, which I believe among a bunch of experts, they believe that Bitcoin can hit 150 to 200,000 just by December. If that happens, you best believe Dogecoin will 3x, potentially 5x. And not only Dogecoin, but Cardano, even Ethereum, a lot of these other altcoins, they will be popping off as well. So getting Dogecoin at this very cheap price is a steal in my books. In my personal books, this is a huge discount. Not only Dogecoin, but there's a lot of other altcoins that we talk about in my Patreon on this channel that are about to make some really big moves. So continue to hold with diamond hands. We will be rewarded. If you got something out of this video, make sure you smash up the like button, blow up the comment section. I will see you all tomorrow.